How to draw a bow tie diagram using Apple Freeform. I created a new board and now I'm going to start with the center even shape. For that I prefer to use this oval, this circle, so click shapes and the circle. You can make it a bit larger if you like, but remember to maintain the proportion like 1:1, hold shift or put the second finger on your screen. Alright, let's type in what this event is all about. We can also change the color of the shape easily, place it in the middle, and then on the left we will do some prevention, some causes, and on the right recovery, consequences. So to do that we simply need to draw additional shape. In my case the rectangle with rounded corners is the choice, that's the very popular one. And now I want to turn on also the connectivity mode. That's the perfect for diagrams. If you click this on, you will see those arrows, and this will allow you to drag out the line and follow up with another shape, but also drag out the line and connect to another existing shape like that. Alright, so that's what we're going to use for it. So let's say we got some curves here. If you like to change the size of the text, font, color of it, all of the text control tools are here. Alright, and you probably have more than one here on the left side. So I will just duplicate that. And again, using the connectivity, we can connect that. If you like to adjust the style of the line, it's also possible from here. Okay, and on the right side we will have consequences, so it's pretty similar. I will actually make a copy of the cause. On this side we should use something like red to show that this is kind of after and before. We got two different opposite colors, and again there will be probably more than one, so you can simply copy and paste. In my case I'm on Mac, so just Command C, Command V will do. You will need to use connecting lines, and keep in mind that proper sticky diagramming lines means if I move something, all of the lines should stick to designated objects and still be aligned with them. We can also do an additional line in the middle. So for that you can just grab a line tool, make some kind of line exactly at the center to divide those two areas. As you may guess, now we need to click arrange and move this line to the bottom. Send to the back. This line is not that important, so I'll make it as a dash line and I'll make it gray, not black. Alright, so here it is. If you need more explanation for your audience, you can also write down additional text using just the text tool. Here it is, the text tool, and this way you can drag this, let's say here, and we got before. So we got stuff that will cause the event, and then on the right side we got after the event already occurred. And if you need more comments on it, the text tool is over there. You can also insert images if you like, or additional shapes if you need more causes or more consequences or any additional content in your bow tie diagram. Alright, so that's how you do it. If you want to send this as a simple image, you can also do just that by exporting. You can export as PDF first, and then you can turn the PDF into an image, or you can snap a quick screenshot. Like on Mac, we can press just Command Shift number 4 and draw the screenshot area around it, and you will end up with a quick screenshot of your diagram. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.